Welcome everyone. My name is Dr. Jan Albers and I have a wonderful opportunity to share with you. This is actually an opportunity that we actually gained through the Telegen Community Initiative. We have the opportunity to offer our MSN Population Health students a $1,000 scholarship, and that was funded by the Telegen Community Initiative. And we are actually extending that opportunity because of the issues with COVID-19, and the grantor has allowed us a little more leeway to offer more scholarships to students. With that being said, the scholarship process has been streamlined a little bit because we actually have a very short window of time to award those scholarships. So I wanted to reach out to you right away and let you know that as a population health student who is enrolled, you have the opportunity to apply for the grant. With that being said, this is a concept plan. So the concept plan is something that you anticipate a very broad view of a possible project for your final capstone project. With that, we want to focus on something that's relatively broad, and that this is something that can be refined over time. So this does not have to be a concrete project. This is a proposal. This is what you're thinking. This is your area of focus. This is what you're interested in and what can help those that you serve. So we're starting out with a basic problem statement. What population are we looking at? What kind of problems are being experienced through your area of practice? And what do you want to address? So this may be one or two sentences. This is the problem. This is the population. And go into really the issue at hand. When we go to the significance of the problem, you want to dive into why is this something that's really significant and needs to be addressed. And again, it's just a sentence or two, just very brief. Then from that, what do you want to solve from that problem? What area do you want to focus on to really move forward and address that problem? So that needs to be correlated with your problem statement. And then where do you propose to do this project? It may be within the community, it may be within your organization. So you also want to start identifying those key stakeholders. Who is going to need to give you permission to do this project, or who will you be working with? What organization, what group, what community? So again, it's a very basic and broad concept plan, and do know that your project will evolve and change over time. So just because you're proposing something, it doesn't mean that it has to be specifically like this, but this is just getting you started as far as thinking about what your project may be as we move forward. And really, to devise what the project is will entail analysis of the data and the literature. So we don't want to get into that at this point. We just want to basically identify the problem, look at why that problem is of significance, look at the aim for your particular focus, and then just generally, where will that project happen? So really, and just a summary after that, just explain how the project will assist you in your practice of population health and why it's meaningful to you. So we really want to get into the why of the project. So with that being said, the extension goes until June the 5th of 2020. So I want to strongly encourage you to submit your application just as soon as possible. And again, this is a very broad concept plan. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know, and I will help you think through your concept plan, and then we'll move forward from there. But once again, congratulations on your choice. As far as focusing on population health, this is really the future of healthcare, and you will be a leader within the change of healthcare. So take care now, and let me know if you need absolutely anything.